Oh boy, 1971 K5 Blazers. This is not one of the best looking ones you've ever seen. It is incredible. 29 miles as of right now since a 1,400 hour ground up restoration. Has a brand new crate LS motor with the 4L60E overdrive automatic, air conditioned, beautiful plaid interior. This thing's got it going on. Everybody is in love with this truck. I admit my dad's not the biggest truck Bronco Blazer fan. This came in on the transport. He ran out there to see it, called my cell phone, said, oh my God, this thing is amazing. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find a price tag on this one and about 200 other premium classic cars, all for sale, and each one has a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is just stunning. I was pulling it in here, looking across the hood. It's like a mere Blazer beam straight. I get it. But anyway, absolutely not a ripple. Fantastic, incredible. All of this is pristine, all excellent, smooth, clean, right down to the bottom. The gaps are nice, absolutely pristine. Even the top, all smooth, not cracked, not damaged. I don't see body work or shrinkage or problem areas. The body is outstanding. This is all excellent. Same thing here with this side. It's kind of a bluish gray metallic. It is a gorgeous color. Wait till you see the interior. They complement each other really well. It's a metal flake. It's all laid out smooth, polished like wet glass. Again, the top painted white. That's also polished real smooth. You usually don't see the tops done this nice. And it's white down at the bottom. All smooth and clean, even on the inside of the lip here. It's all real nice. Any of the chrome or trim or emblems, marker lights, that's all been replaced. The moldings along the sides there, all the glass all the way around's new. Every gasket looks like it's new. The grille, the bumper, bezels, emblem, all that's been replaced. The wheels and tires are new. Those were actually put on. We changed them up. They're 20s. They're Billet Specialties in front and 22s in back. Got some big polished wheels going on there. Even the glass on the top and the gaskets all new. We'll open up the tailgate here in just a bit. Tail lights look like they're LEDs. Even the reverse lights are LED. New bumper. It is slick. Let's open it up. I'm dying to show you the interior. All right, let's open it up. This works smoothly. It's a little heavy, but it works smoothly. The inside's all real nice. The hinges are new. Now the paint on top of the tailgate, unfortunately, must rub. It's got chipped up right here. I'd maybe do something different. Maybe put a piece of something across there. Good old tailgate. But it's polished. All the latches are new. The rubber bumpers are new. And then inside, the carpet all replaced, has bound edges. You get a little hint of what the upholstery's like. All nice and upholstered, and it has the plaid, which is so 1970s. I think it's cool. Colors are great. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. That way you're notified right away when the videos are posted. So the jambs are slick as the car. The latches are all new. Has the nice new door panels. They're a nice soft material. The behind the plaid that is cushioned. Oh, I gotta light up these gauges. Look at that, they light up blue. There's a clock in the middle, tachometer, all new. All the bezels, knobs, the dash pad. The paint is real slick. Bluetooth stereo, all modern electric slide, old air products, air conditioning system. glove box liner, all painted. All the vents are real nice. Has molded in kick panel speakers. Nice carpet. This must be a reproduction console because it's in excellent shape. And then the seats are nice and firm. They're all new. All nice new cushion. Nice premium upholstery with blue stitching. And then, of course, the plaid seat. Then in back, the seats upholstered to match. We got some 6x9 speakers on each side. Then the inside of the top here, it's all been prepped and painted white, real nice. Matching visors, new mirror, new authentic steering wheel on a tilt column, all new wiring harness as the push-in fuses, a fuse block underneath there. Yeah, really nice. Everyone loved the interior. Go to volocars.com to check out 200 cars and videos and pictures and info. Now this is a new crate motor, so it's not a built or an assembled motor, not out of a junkyard. This is a crate motor, 5.3 liter, making 460 horsepower. Aluminum heads, high-rise Holley intake with fuel injection. Got some nice aluminum valve covers, stainless steel headers. It's all new. Look at the nice smooth firewall, all custom made, all painted as slick as the outside. Look at the nice battery cables on an Optima battery, all bolted in nice. Griffin aluminum radiator underneath. Look at the custom filler panel here, all nice and smooth and painted. Kind of a shame it's hiding this beautiful radiator. Dual electric fans, serpentine belt system, aluminum water pump, modern power steering. It's a hydro boost system with the power brakes from CPP. And where's all the wires and clutter? It's not cluttered at all. This is a beautiful, clean motor compartment. Look at the underside of the hood. It's like a mirror. Well, Michael gets to take you out and show you what she's got. Okay. This truck's so beautiful. I'm just going to try and get out of your way here, tell you about the undercarriage. Everything is redone underneath there. It's all painted, all the suspension, the steering, the brakes, all redone. Disc brakes in front. Great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system. New coil-over adjustable shocks in front. Yeah, it's just like new. It is new. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, it's new. It's a 4L60 electronic overdrive, new transmission, not rebuilt, but a new crate trans. I think it came with the motor, part of the package. 12-bolt rear end in the back. Custom fuel cell underneath there, fuel tank. I was wondering where you put gas in this thing. Oh yeah, okay. Maybe you'll catch it when it comes around, but the marker light opens and that's where the gas is hidden. Go to volocars.com if you want to have one of the most beautiful slammed Blazers there are, and the salesman will answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your home and how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out volocars.com. Thanks for watching.